Hello Julie. Hello everyone, it is wonderful to be here today. It is how are you Paul? The first I'm good, thank you, I am awake. Ha ha ha. Awake, that is a good start. Yes, I had my coffee so I am ready. How are you Julie? I am great, I am very happy today, I had a good morning. Oh, that's nice, a good morning is very important, it is. We are going to talk about our daily life, our routines. Our daily routines. Yes, this is a topic everyone has, we all have a day, haha. Haha, yes we do. We all have things we do every day. Morning, afternoon and night. It sounds very interesting. Sometimes people think routine is a boring word, Maybe, but I think our routines can be very different and very interesting, I agree. And it is perfect for English practice. We use simple words to talk about our day exactly. But first, before we talk about our day, we have a small request. Yes, we do. If you are listening and you like our podcast, please click the like button, a big thumbs up. Yes, please do, and if you are new, welcome. Okay, Paul, yes, Julie, daily life. The morning, oh no, the morning. Haha, you do not like the morning. Julie, I am not a morning person, not at all. Oh really, I am a morning person, I love the morning, wow. How for me the morning is difficult, the alarm clock. Ah, the alarm clock. Yes, I do not like that sound, beep beep beep. My alarm is music, soft music that is smart. My alarm is just loud. I wake up and I think, oh no, already. And do you get up? No. I press the snooze button. The snooze button, yes, the 5 more minutes. But is it 5 minutes? Maybe sometimes 5 minutes, then 5 more minutes. Oh Paul. So when do you really get out of bed? When I must. When it is very late, I jump out of bed, I'm late. Haha, oh that is very funny. My morning is very different. Tell me, I wake up early before the sun, wow. Why I love the quiet. The house is very quiet, no cars, no noise, it is just me. And what do you do the first thing? The most important thing is coffee, ah yes. Coffee made too, I run from the bed to the coffee machine. Ha ha ha, how do you like your coffee, Paul? I like it strong and black, no sugar, just coffee. Yes, I like my coffee with a little hot milk. It is very warm and nice, that sounds good. I drink my coffee and I look at my phone. Thank you everyone for listening to our cast. Yes, thank you so much. We hope you liked talking about daily life. And please don't forget to subscribe to English Study and give this episode a like. If you had fun, and share it with your friends, yes. And we have a question for you, oh yes. In the comments below, please tell us. Are you a morning person like Julie? Bye for now.